Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up our dashboard layouts for the next week in December. Got some washi tape here ready to go, as well as these sticker books which I'll pull from. Okay, so I'm bringing you another dashboard layout this week by popular request. I know a few of you wanted to see more of these, so I thought I would show you this week's plan with me just so you can follow along. I have some stickers already on the sheet that I made myself. There is a videos this week at the top on the right hand side, and then my stats sticker that I use to track my followers and subscribers down below on the left. I made those custom stickers and they've been working perfectly for me. I based the stat stickers off of the Happy Planner Get Social paper. Started using that in 2019 and I really liked it, but wanted something a little bit smaller scale for my social media setup. So anyway, that's where those stickers come in. For this week's theme, I decided to do a nice Christmassy inspired theme. I am using mainly the Homebody Seasons, again just because it coordinates really well, and then I have a couple of Homebody books I'm going to pull from just to make life easier. I tend to just design on the fly on these social media spreads because I don't want to, burden myself with trying to make something super creative, elaborate. I just want to add a little color, a little interest on the spread, and make planning in this spread a little more fun. So I've laid down a couple stickers already. I have a Mary sticker there in the middle with a box sticker. I also pulled some washi tape that I thought I may use. I was pulling in the Christmas colors with the red and then the softer green to match the layout and the stickers from that Homebody Season sticker book. And then I added a black plaid, which I really like, but yeah, I'm not too sure. It's pretty bold, that black, so I'm not sure if that's going to stay, but I do like the color combination there. I just don't know if it works for the stickers that I will be using on this spread. And the red and green washi tapes are from the Happy Planner. The green one is actually from the Homebody washi tape set. The red one I'll have to look up. All of the items that I'm using in the spread will be below in the description if you're looking for something in particular. If I can find a link, it'll be there, but I'll do my best to at least list what it is in case it's no longer available as a link. So I'm laying in some washi groupings, adding some pops of that red and green. Also pulling in now some of the evergreen branches and that softer green leafy looking sticker, just to add some variety and texture. It's going to be my word, I think, for Plan Miss. So I'm going to say that's my word of Plan Miss is texture. I've used that word so many times over the last few videos, but it does make such a difference on how a spread will look. So I just whited out a few boxes there at the bottom so I can add in some more of these really cute stockings that I think are just adorable. They're kind of small though, so I had thought maybe I would use them on a normal like horizontal spread, but the decor stickers are pretty, I don't know, they're just not very big, and it's hard to make a huge impact on a spread with smaller stickers, in my opinion. So this spread I think is a good place for them. They are a little bit more minimal, so I have room to actually make this much more functional, which is what I mainly use this for, and still add a little bit of cuteness to it. So it works well in this application. And I decided that I wanted some more of those branches kind of nestled there at the bottom on the left. Again, tying into the theme that I have going, but without being too high profile. I have lots going on in my social right now, especially during Planmas where there's like a video every day almost. So I need all of the space I can get here. These are perfect. I just kind of put them on the edge, cut them in half roughly so that I can reuse both sides of the sticker, and am laying them down as kind of a little border along the bottom. I decided I wanted to add in a few more of those thicker leafy stems there on the right hand side. And I'm looking for some boxes now for the videos I'm going to be putting in. I need 7, or 1 for each day, and I just don't see that I can make it happen with these boxes. Some of them are a little bit too big, and then some don't have the right colors, so I'm going to go and see if I can find something else that will work in a different book. I think I can make it happen with these smaller boxes here from the Homebody regular sticker book. And I'm going to pull the colors that best coordinate with what I've got. So the grays and the greens I think are going to be mainly the ones I use. Those boxes in the center though, I mean, none of the boxes are cut really great, but the ones in the center are really off. You can barely see any color on one of the sides. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use those or not. I'm going to put in all the other ones I can find to make it work, and then figure out if I need these ones, how to make those look a little better. I was really hoping I would be able to get away without having to use those, but I just don't think the other colors are going to work. So let's go ahead and try putting these guys in, and then I'll show you how I'll hack that in a bit. So I've got a gray highlighter that I'm just going to lightly outline that missing edge of color so that they at least look complete. And I think that is a close enough match, so we're just going to go with that. I also have this one last stocking, and I hate to have just one of anything hanging around, so I'm going to try to include it here on the other side of the page. And when I did that, I just kind of noticed that that black was just bugging me. It was too much, and it was a little bit too, I don't know, thick. So I'm going to take it off. And then I was going to shorten up that red one, but then I realized I used it to cover up the titles that were there. So I had to put it back. I'm going to go ahead and use my Jelly Roll whiteout pen to kind of cover up that little circle there behind the green so it doesn't show out, and also remove the black washi from below. Kind of feel like I need something here in this corner just now that the washi is staggered the way it is. So I'm going to grab this paper sticker and see if I can use that to be the intro area. And then I'm just going to trim it so it looks like it's coming in off the side of the page. I'm liking this so far. Let's see if there's a way to add some more washi here on the left, just to tie that in on both sides of the page. Not real sure how best to do that. I'm going to go ahead and go into sticker books again, see if there's anything else that might be good for adding decor on the side of the page. And while I did that, I decided that I wanted to add more of those branches there at the bottom. Just continue that bottom border. So I'm adding those in now. And again, using about half of the sticker and then reusing the other half just to make the stickers go farther and also keep things low profile so that I have room to do my writing. And just continuing it all the way to the edge. Try to reuse some pieces maybe. Fill in the gap here on the left. That looks good. Just gonna see if there's anything else that I can use kind of small and thin. Really like these skinny quote stickers for my social media layouts. Perfect for keeping things small and uncumbersome while maintaining functionality, getting that decor look without too much fluff. And I decided to pull that one in. Sorry, it's off camera. I was trying to keep the sticker book on camera, so you'll see that in a minute. And just seeing if there's any other stickers I want to layer in here. Okay. So I think I'm happy with the decor and the stickers. I'm going to go ahead and put in my check boxes for all of the items I track here on my dashboard, just so you can see that added bit of color. I have opened up my planner so that I can check against my monthly layout, which is where I put all of my master list of videos and posts for each month. My process each week is to go through and label each day what post I'm supposed to be doing, and then I also add in if I'm going to be posting a story related to that post, an Instagram or a Pinterest pin or something related to Plannable. I keep all that here in the weekly. The monthly isn't quite as robust as the weeklies, but it gives me a great guideline for setting up my weeklies each week. And so I'm just putting in the colors here. If you would like to see how it looks all laid out, do check out my monthly flip through videos. I'll show all my after the pins in this spread in that video near the end, probably the last planner I go through each month. So if you just want to jump to that, just go towards the end of the video and you should see all of my after the pins for social. I'll go ahead and link the last one I posted up here and in the description if you are looking for it. So I found out a way to put a little bit more washi tape here on the right hand side, and now that I know what I'm entering in each day, I know which days have a little bit more room where I can put in more decor. I'm also adding in some branchy elements that I had left over from a previous spread, just to add a little bit more of that branch texture around in this area without being too much decor, because like I said, it's going to be pretty full on this side of the page. And just putting it in little by little here and there. Decided I didn't like how bold that one was there on the Thursday corner, so I'm going to move it over to the other side. Just adding it in little bits and pieces. And once I am done with that, we will be done, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.